Oh, come and lay down by my side till the early morning light.
Yeah, I bet you the...
All I'm asking for is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. For tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight.
And unfortunately, most likely, you're a minor. Probably 15 or 16. Don't matter, don't care what the devil says, 'cause you got ribbons in your hair.
You just took the life right out of that song.
That was funny. Okay, alright guys, so this is, remember how this was like...
How's my belly look? It's not too fat, is it? I'll suck it in for the video.
You look very handsome. You're my sexy
Hurry up,
husband.
I can't hold my breath this long.
You're the sexiest man, my sexy man. Alright, so check it out. So Maggie's very excited because there's somebody outside and she wants to protect the house. But remember how this was all chaotic and crazy. And I think I showed you that already, so that's all the thing there. I moved the Poshmark stuff. So this is all, everything is bare, and I'll tell you why in a second. But I suspect you know why. Anyway, this is all the linens that I'm hoping to use for the party. The reason why I strip everything down, partly because I'm going to be taking this apart for seating. This is all gone. Do you know why?
Maggie.
That's why. You see that? You see that one right there? Dog hair, puke, pee, who knows? So I don't even take any chances. It's like linens come off like 3 or 4 days before, because I am not going to redo that. I don't have that kind of energy. Mama don't have that kind of energy. All right, so look at this.
Great room.
This is the height of bed, or sleeper, whatever you want to call it. So that looks nice. Maggie slept on that, so that's a good compliment. And so this is pretty much good to go. And then that's going to be the hockey table, air hockey. That's going to be a lot of fun. And I always like to have things nice and neat so that if I need to stash stuff someplace. So my husband has kindly made sure that this is workable. I'm going to probably use that chair as well. Lots of seating. Gotta have seating. And that's the mattress pad, hopefully for the sleeper. Who are you talking to? All right, and
My tweet fans.
oh, okay. And then, so this couch futon is going to be going outside with a whole bunch of pillows. The bed is going to be shoved to the side here because this is the patio, and I want plenty of people flow to be able to make it through there. This is probably going to be pushed to that wall so that you got like a nice flow. Then out here, this is going to be like kind of like probably what I'm going to work on somewhat today. I got that umbrella for 30 bucks. I got the umbrella stand on Amazon for 50 bucks. My husband sprayed this outdoor protectant stuff. We got 2 for $1 at the dollar store. So he sprayed that, 2 coats, this one 2 coats. So that rug is going to be there. So we'll show you the after. I think you'll enjoy it as much as I will. And then I'll show you my room. Excuse me, kitty. He's in my way. Now, and then I'm keeping this clear. Hopefully he can whack that thing down. That'd be awesome.
Come.
And here's kind of like the linen closet. So I got all these, probably these pillows will be put to use. But I had the door taken off because the doorknob was annoying. But I love this fabric, so that's going to be the guest bathroom. Gotta wash that rug. And like I said, keeping everything clear. It's not even worth it to have a rug in the kitchen when you got 50 people coming by. So I don't even bother. I do have this because the evil ice dispenser sometimes thinks it can spread its evil all the way over there, and then you trip and fall, and we don't need that. because I need my husband to move stuff around. I don't know if I showed you the. Look at what did I show you guys this? I don't know, but look at how. I mean, yeah, I know, but anyway, look. So, got that going. The cat figured out how to deal with that, so that's good. Lots of storage I'll be putting underneath here. You've already seen the laundry room. And then here's my room. So it's pretty clear. And then see, I have my tarp kind of thing, painter's cloth, so I can spray paint and not ruin the rug that's underneath it. It's my cute pink and white one. And then I made some, so I put all my art books here so I can have tons of space to work with on my projects. And then this is where I put all the Poshmark stuff. It's temporary until, you know, just it should be fine right there. And then I got my beautiful makeup vanity table. How gorgeous is that? So excited. And there's my diva ring or whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Bathroom's looking good. Everything is pretty much coming together. So can't wait for you to see the finished product. Hopefully I'll have everything staged more or less, and you can see how what it's going to look like. Although the linens I'm not going to put on until tomorrow. But anyway, yeah.
See ya.